Alright guys, welcome to my 7th HTML tutorial video. In this video we're going to go over quotation elements. Alright, these are elements that you use in place of when you're using a quote. So the first element we're going to use is the block quote. This is usually used when you're taking a bigger quote. You can put it within these two tags, and in this case I am going to be using a quote by Maya Angelou. I'm just going to copy and paste it in. This is exactly why I'm quoting it. And let me add, just for my sanity, let me just tab that, get rid of the space, and boom, save that. And this is the quote by Maya Angelou. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. That is facts. Now, a block quote comes with a attribute called cite. So if it helps you guys feel better, it doesn't render anything on the screen, but it's just to make you guys pretty much specify where you guys got the quote from. So in my case, I got it from a website called Goodreads, so I'm going to specify that right under here. Let's just grab this URL real quick from here. Alright, and then I'm going to paste this URL right here. Boom. Good old Goodreads. Alright, and you can see that block quote put in a certain special format for you. The next element I'm going to use is the Q tag, or the Q element. This is usually used for smaller quotes, so just specify it with a Q, and then you just put the small quote that you want to use right on the inside. Just copy that, another quote, but this is way smaller. And let me just fix this. Just tab this one and get rid of the space and save, and boom. Actually no, in this case the Q tag already puts a quotation mark, put the quotation marks for you. So alright, boom. A mistake repeated more than once is a decision. Paulo Coelho. I think I pronounced it properly. But as you guys can see the difference in what they do a little bit. This provides the quotation marks for you, and in this case in the block quotes they put a little tab for you. So that's just the difference in styling for that. But it's the same concept. You can also put a cite attribute, which lets yourself know where you got that specific quote from. In this case I got it from the same place. I got it from good old Goodreads. And then boom. Alright, so the last tag we're going to go over is the abbreviation tag. These are used for in the case that you have an abbreviation and you want to specify what exactly that abbreviated word is. So that's specified by ABBR, which is short for abbreviation. And then we could put in the abbreviated words. So in this case I'm going to use a word that everybody should know or might know, which is ASAP, which means as soon as possible. Alright, so the way that HTML knows what the word means or how to provide the styling for the abbreviated word is you have to add an attribute called title. Alright, and then within that title you put the quotation marks and the equal and the quotation marks, and then you put the meaning of the word. So we know that it means as soon as possible, and when we save that you get, oh, let me put on a new line. To add a new line you just put the BR tag, and then you save that and it adds it to a new line. But as you guys can see, or let me put 2 because that bothers me as well. Alright, abbreviation tag is a inline tag. We're gonna go over that, or I'm gonna go over that in another video. But it stays on the same line. It doesn't make a new line for you. But yeah, as you guys can see, the styling that it adds is an underline, and if you hover over it, boom, it lets you know like what it means, which is as soon as possible. So if you have a website and you're using a lot of abbreviated words, this is perfect, because maybe they might not know what ASAP means or LOL means or stuff like that. This could be used just so you feel good inside that the person knows exactly what you're talking about. So yeah, cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in the next video we're gonna go over some styling, just some simple ones. Just some simple styling, because we're not in CSS, but there is inline styling. So hope you guys enjoy.